Now let's start with the x. Let's start with the x-axis. Like to start just here. After giving a figure, we can now say the x label over here, it is going to be PLT. We talked that much, but x label we had already said x label and text to x-axis, and our text will be date, and we give it a font size. So font size of 14, so that is not so small. Okay, so that is one. And then we also want to deal with to name or label y-axis. So let's do like this. And y-axis, we can say we want for y-axis we want to say number of posts and font size of 14. So this is y-axis, which will be labeled the number of posts, and x-axis over here will be labeled the date. So there is something that is here that is called y-ticks and x-ticks, and these we have not talked about. So this is a method where actually they are giving us these for the size. It's a method for the size here, right? So let's do it.